Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's subscription box Saturday, I have for you my Kal-elle Fandom monthly subscription. Guys, I really love this one. This one is one of my favorites. And you know what? I didn't watch any spoilers or anything like that on what the theme is for this month, so I am going to be truly surprised. Without further ado, let's see what's in this thing. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Normally it's like a bright metallic color, but we're black this month. Makes me very curious what's inside. Let's open it up. Alrighty, let's see. We'll just pull everything out. So when I pull it out, they have it tissue wrapped like this. Okay, everything's all black. What's happening? Okay, so they do provide a card that lets you know what everything is. So it says, thanks for your subscription. This month's fandom is Black Widow. There you go, guys. That's why everything's black. So it lists everything that I get in here, and I don't really want to have a look at it. Oh, but I do love this print. I really like this one. I love the abstract prints they put in here. I'm going to take it out of the plastic so you guys can actually see it. Oh, this is really cool. I like this a lot. So they give you a print every single month, and this is very cool. You know, I have to think of something to do with them because right now I just kind of have them stacking up, but I got to think of something to do with these prints because they are very cool. So there's got to be something I can do with them. Okay. So, well, let me just tell you. They don't tell you values. They just tell you what it is. But it is a 4x6 art print. So that's all they have about that. There you go. All right, so after I open up the thing, it looks like this. I hope I can show it to you guys without spilling it all. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll just grab the first thing on top here. It looks like this, and then we have this. They always have some fun jewelry in here, so let's see what we got, guys. This looks like a pretty awesome little bag this month. It always is, though. I'm always happy with this one. I can get this stuff out of here for you guys. I am so sorry. It's taking me forever. Okay. Oh, there's like 3 things in here. So we'll start with this one. Very cool. So we have a beautiful necklace. Look at that, guys. Wow, that is so pretty. I absolutely love it. This is awesome. And I just, no, it doesn't have an extender on the chain, which is totally fine. I'm still going to definitely wear this. So it just says, Black Widow necklace. But it is a Kal-elle exclusive. So that's awesome. Okay, and then obviously we got some earrings to go with this. Let me take them out of the plastic for you guys because I just feel like there's too much glare if I don't take it out of the plastic. Super cute. Definitely rock these for sure. Absolutely love them. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's just going to tell me that they're Avenger earrings. Yeah, that's what they are. Actually, I didn't know they were Avenger because I didn't look at them. So now that I'm looking at them, I totally see the Avenger logo, which is pretty awesome. Ooh, dude, I love this. Oh, yes. Oh, let me show it to you first. Look at this bracelet. Yes, guys. I really like this. Like, how do I tighten it up, though? Oh, I don't know. But this is cool. I like this a lot. Yeah, I'm totally down for the bracelet for sure. Let's see what it says on here. So it says it is a Black Widow bracelet. They're very, here's what it is, but it's not an exclusive. Okay, so that was the jewelry for this month. Awesome. Put it back in the bag. Ooh, it's an iron-on patch. Yay! Look at that. Yes! Should I just put it like this? I really like it, though. I'm definitely going to find use for this. So I'm pretty sure it just says, yeah, Black Widow iron-on patch. So that's what that is. Awesome. Loving it. Ooh, we got a pin. Wow, that is a serious pin, guys. Look at that. Wow. I definitely could see it like on a scarf or something like that. For sure. Like, you know, when you put a scarf on, you could put it somewhere on a scarf. I don't know. That's just how I envision wearing this. I don't know what scarf I'll wear it with, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Whatever. It's very cool. I'm pretty sure it just says Black Widow pin. Let's see if we get, yeah, Black Widow exclusive to subscribers. So that's very cool. And then the last thing, oh wait, no, we have a magnet in here. So we have a Black Widow magnet, which is awesome. I actually need more magnets. So here we go. Black Widow magnet. Let me just hold it like this so that you guys can actually see it. Awesome. Yay. That's cool. And what do we got going on here? Oh, stop it. Did I not just say? That is funny. Is that what this is? A Black Widow scarf. Stop it. Did I not just say that the pin would look great with the scarf? That is how they thought of it all, guys. It's a Geek Fenty. So it's www.geekfenty.com. Black Widow scarf. Awesome. I'm sure I'm popping up all the details about how much this thing costs and all of that fun stuff. But let's just open it up. Ooh, it's a pretty big scarf. Look at that. Yay! So, yeah, you definitely would be able to put your little pin with this scarf. Oh, it's one that you got to wrap around. Okay. So I'd have to wrap it around like a couple of times, I'm guessing. Something like this. Oh, yes. Oh, guys, actually, not a scarf person, but I really do like this. So then I'm thinking, you know, you just put like a pin somewhere. I don't know. I just think it would look really cool. I actually quite like this. Wow. I quite like it. I'm not going to pull my hair out because I'll probably mess everything up. But guys, that was a pretty awesome subscription box this month. I love it. They're really kind of branching out and doing other things. I think the month before, or it was like the Halloween month, they gave me a really cool lamp. I'm digging this subscription, guys. It is 100% worth whatever I pay for it. I don't know how much I pay. I'm sure I'll pop that up for you guys too. This is another one that I found on Cratejoy. I heard another YouTuber talking about it. I think it was Tay Chanel from Tay Chanel's Favorite Things. I've got to make my way back over to her channel. There's so many of you guys that I need to catch up on, and I would definitely do that very soon. It's just been very difficult for me to watch you guys as much as I used to before, because now Noah's dad's home every single day because he's not working right now. So it's very hard for me to watch you guys as much as I would like to, because he just annoys me every time I'm trying to watch you guys. So I try to do that when he's not home or sleeping or something, and it's just been hard for me to catch up, but I really want to catch up because I love watching you guys. So that's why I haven't been crafting or doing any of the stuff that I love to do so much, is because he's home so much and he hates all of it. Whatever. All right, guys, that's enough about all of that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're interested in getting this Kal-elle Fandom monthly subscription box, I got it on Cratejoy, and I will link everything in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's subscription box Saturday, I have for you Kal-elle. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so that didn't work. Okay, guys, so I feel like it wants to float. What's in here? It's a float.